Fly fishing combo include 1 fly rod 9 feet 5/6 weight 4% rod, 1 fly reel size 5/6 100 ft fly line, backing and leader, 1 rod case, 1 fly box, 1 2PCS flies, spare leader, zinger and nipper, 1 carrier case, very easy to carry around. The rod, 4 sections designed medium fast action fly fishing rods, fly rods made from carbon fiber, durable and extra lightweight, metal adjustable fishing reel seat, texture, simple and firm, mid-flex IM8 graphite design, aluminum reel seat, stainless steel stripper guide with sick ring, stainless steel single foot snake guides and hook keeper. 7 inches Western-style grip made with high-quality cork and compressed cork trim rings helps casting accuracy, avoids fatigue. The reel, this fly reel is made of CNC machined 6061T6 aluminum alloy. Larger CNC hollow design makes the reel lighter than ordinary ones. 0.2+1 ball bearings and 1:1 gear ratio, one-way roller bearing engages drag in one direction, strong all-aluminum construction. The combo includes everything that you will need to start fly fishing. A convenient zippered case helps you carry everything when you go fishing. Freshwater fly reel for multi-species fishing in rivers, lakes, streams, creeks, ideal for all-around fly fishing species such as trout, grayling, salmon and other predatory fish. 5-year warranty. If any problem about the product, please contact us firstly and our customer service will solve it for you soon. Your reel has been set at the factory for left-hand retrieve. If you want convert your reel to right-hand retrieve, please contact us for guidance. Best value fishing kit. We have full accessories that you need, 1 graphite fishing rod plus 1 high quality fishing reel plus 1 0 lb or 12 lb mono fishing line plus various fishing lures and hooks plus necessary accessories plus a bonus carrying bag. With this lightweight set, you don't need to buy any other fishing stuff and you could easily carry this to anywhere. Designed for recreational fishing, beginners, kids or anybody who wants get into fishing. Lightweight, sensitive rod blank. These telescopic casting rods collapse down to less than 17 inches long for easy travel. Calamus telescopic fishing rods are made of graphite composite 60/40 rod blanks. Graphite composite rod blanks are lighter than fiberglass and can provide better balance and sensitivity. Quality components. Only high-quality components are used in the construction of the new Calamus telescopic fishing rods. Lightweight graphite spinning reel seats and graphite casting reel seats with a trigger will keep fishing reels securely in place. Comfortable high-density EVA handles provide a durable connection to the angler's hand. Each rod also equips a drop-shot style hook keeper. Performance bait casting reel. Calamus casting reel features one-piece rigid graphite frame, 4+1 ball bearings, max drag 8.8 lb, 6.5:1 gear ratio. Calamus bait casting reel features lightweight graphite side plates and amazing brass main pinion gears that can deliver reliable performance and durability for long life. Calamus has a CNC aluminum V-shaped spool for more line capacity, a solid aluminum handle for strength, and non-slip rubber paddles for all-day fishing comfort. Easy to pack and travel. You never know when you're going to come across a great place to go fishing and wish you had a telescopic fishing pole with you. Never leave home without a fishing rod. Calamus fishing rod combo will pack easily into backpacks, luggage, on an airplane, golf bag, motorcycle. Easy to use, the Zebco 33 features a dependable reel on a smart, strong and convenient telescoping rod, perfectly mobile for the go-go-go lifestyle. You will be ready to hit the water with the patented no-tangle design reel that comes pre-spooled with 10-pound Zebco Cajun line. Great for both beginners and experienced anglers. Expertly designed, the Zebco 33 telescopic combo was expertly designed extending to 6 feet, collapsing down to 22.5 inches. A great all-purpose fishing setup, the easy casting spincast reel is custom matched to a durable E-glass rod to help you to reel in the big ones all day long. All-day comfort. This hard-working fishing reel and telescopic rod combo comes with a durable EVA handle to provide anglers with hours of comfort. Its moderate fast action and medium power is ideal for targeting a wide variety of species from panfish, trout, bass, catfish and more, and is designed to hold a 6 to 12 pound line weight and 1/8 to 1/2 oz lure weight. Smooth performance. This size 30 spincast reel is constructed with all metal gears and a 4.1:1 gear ratio for a silky smooth retrieve. The changeable right or left hand retrieve reel features a microfine dial adjustable drag and quickset anti-reverse to stop your handle from moving backward and create a solid hook set in the mouth of a fish when reeling in your catch. Trusted since 1949, Zebco has been inviting people to explore the outdoors. Zebco products are warranted for a period of 1 year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials.